Now that we know how Shopify looks inside, we need to start designing our store. So we need to go to online store, and from here we are right away into our theme section. We can see that we already have a theme installed, and from here we can change it from some of the free themes, or we can search into the paid themes in Shopify. I personally use the Beautify theme and highly recommend that. It's a free theme that you can use, download it and upload it into your Shopify store. I can show you how right now. It's free theme, but they have like add-ons that you can use in your store. We can see that they have pricing plans from free, and that's for one store, and the basic support. And then if you go to the starter, you have monthly, quarterly and yearly plans. You can have you can see here what you can use in what plan. If you are in a budget and you can afford it, maybe you want to try some of the add-ons, and I will try to show you how they work on the shop, and how they can help you get more sales. So just go try the Beautify free, put your email, put your name and put your email address, try the Beautify free. Then you need to put your store name, as you can see here. So first of all try to buy the domain and then put that domain there, not to put domain like this, so you can use it on the right domain that you have. But anyway, so put the domain here, and then you will be redirected to their dashboard. So we are coming back into Shopify, install the app, and now we are back into their dashboard. From here you can see there they have showcase showing you what's everything listed, and right from here we can click download theme, add to theme library. After a few seconds we can see that we have added successfully the Beautify 4.1.0 theme. So now we can go into customize theme, and we will be sent directly to Shopify, or we can come back and refresh our page to see if we have here the Beautify theme. Yeah, so the theme is installed but it's not active, so that's why we have it here. So we can go to customize, or we can go to preview and publish. So let's go to customize, and after that we will set it to publish. And you can close those tabs from here. If you want to search and see what other things are offering the Beautify, you can see it here, and decide what you want to use and what not. Now what we have here, the Beautify theme by default has only few setting ups here, so we can see it how it's looking. And let's start with changing something. So this is our home page. From here we can see the list, and we can see the cart goal. This is everything from the upsell from the Beautify theme. If we don't want to use it, then we can click, you can see upsell pop-up, so you can click on it, and from here we can uncheck this thing, and it's not going to work anymore. Now that we are here we can see what we have by default by the Beautify theme. And first of all that we want to do is to go to the theme settings down here in the bottom, and from here in the right side we can go into the advanced settings, and from here we can see that it's enabled the sticky header. So when we scroll down we can see the header and all those kind of things. Take a note that we will have only the search button and the card. This is for the currency, and I think this is in a pro version of the Beautify theme, and also the heart that is for someone that will like some of the products. Then we can have sticky announcement bar, and if we want, that will be up from the header. Like if we want to say free shipping all over, free shipping over $20 or $50, whatever. If we want to have something like that, it can be sticky. We cannot see it right now because we don't have anything there, but I will. Okay, we can see it now. Follow us, free shipping worldwide, 30-day, get in touch. But I don't want it to be a sticky. And we have enabled transparent header. As you can see, when we put later here a background, then everything of this will be up on that background. Then we have enabled search that we have right here. And we can put it only for the products. Right now is for everything on the website. They can search by word. The icon styles, and then we have here collection grid, show products count, enable announcement on hover, and show button. Shop now is the button label. Button style is full, or we can put it outline. Let's see how it's looking. Outline is something like this. When we have a button, but obviously we need another button to see that, and I will leave it on full. And button style, then we have what to show, so I will unmark the author, the date, and the show comments and tags, they can stay. From here we have the sign up newsletter. It can show name, file, and opt-in checkbox, show image, extra small. This is for the desktop version, and then we have for the mobile version. And to go into this in more depth, maybe you will like to change something, maybe not. Then when we come back, then we have the cart, and from here this can stay all the same. Right now what we want to do is to change the colors. So basically, let's go back to our color palette, and I will copy the color that is the darker color in our palette, and everything. When you see this purple color, I will change it to my color. Okay, excellent. So also for the text, I will put it everything to be in black. Headings, everywhere where it says text, I will put it that color. And then in buttons, you can see they already have saved our color. For the links and accent, I will also go with the same color. The errors can stay in red. The sales price can also stay in red. And then we have background. No, background, we will go with this one. Okay. The accent background can be our darker color, and the borders can also be the darker color. Buttons will be also the same color, and buttons label can be in the same color, because this is our branding and we want everyone to know us by this color. Okay, so then we have form elements. We can go with the lighter, and sales price stay the same, and error we want to be with green. It says that it's green. So when we go down, so we can see the footer. From here we can change the background in the footer to be in the cream color. So let's make it a little bit different. Okay. The accent background can stay like this. And then we want the border to be in the darker color. The button also, it should be in the darker color. The button label can be in white so we can see it nice. Then we have links and assets also in the darker color, for elements in the darker color. Errors can stay in green, sales price in red. So image overview, so we can have like background on the image. We want to put it like this, but we will see how it's going to see. So the opacity for all this, we will set it up and when we put the image, so we can see how it's, if it's looking or not. Let's see for the text in the bottom, in the footer, header page. Okay, we have here the text. Let's put it in black, and then we have here also the text. We need to put it in black, so we have the nice contrast here. Okay, so now that we have set up our colors, then we can go to favicon, and from here we can select image, we can upload it where we have it from here. Okay, excellent. And we need to click select, and then from here we can check what we want to have for our social media, and from down here we need to put links so we have them working. So I will just put it like this, so we have them in our page. And typography, so for the font, and we can see from here, we here have sisterhood. So if we come here for the headings, if we use the same font, I think that it cannot be written well. So for the headings, I will go with Allegra and click select. And for the font and for the body text, I will change it to I will put it to Cabin. It's a similar font, and click select. I will save it here so we don't lose the changes. Okay, so now what we want to do is to go to our left side and go to header. From here we have the main menu. We will change the menu will stay same, but we will add pages there in our next lessons. And from here we want to add the logo. So let's go and upload our logo. Select this one. Okay, and from down here we can set the within for the logo. It's a bit smaller, but you can always make it bigger or bolder so it can be seen well. And for the mobile version, if we change to the mobile version, we also need to add the same logo for the mobile version. You can see how it's looking on the mobile, so we need to make it smaller. And then we need to put the same logo. That's because when we come back to the desktop, but it's same for the mobile version, when we start scrolling we have the same logo. Or maybe if you want to have two different versions, so maybe white and black or any other color, you can have one color when it's up here and another color when you start scrolling. Okay, when all this is done, what we want to do is again save our work so we don't lose it. Then what we want to do is to add a section here, and I will go with maybe a slideshow, and I will put it, and I will take it from here and put it here. So first we have the slideshow, and when from here we can add the slide. and we can see now that this is going to be the background. So to add an image here, you can always go to Unsplash. There we can find free images, and I will go to fashion, and we can find some really nice image, but have in mind that it has to be in some resolution that we can use. So woman fashion. Okay, when we scroll down, and let's use, okay, so we can download this one, and then we can go to medium size and download, and let's use it this one for now. So select an image, upload, and then we click select, and we can see here the image position and the link, the middle, center, and if you want to have a video, heading text that we want to add, and enable custom fonts. They will change, and from here, as you can see, we can change the heading into your passion. You will think what's best for your store, and you will write something like that. Your fashion, wear it with style. And I won't lose so much time on this, so it's going to be like this. From here, we have one button, shop now, and it goes to all products, and we will see after that if we are going to leave it like that. And the another one that's learn more, I will remove it because I don't want to send the people in some other way. Okay, from here, what I want to do now again is to go to the theme settings, and again to go to the colors, and at the bottom when I say the overlay opacity, it's on, put it on 15, and let's see. Let's see how it's going to look. Okay, so now we have the real version of the image in the background, and we can add maybe 25, so we have a little style of our color overlay into our image here. Okay, so under image overlay, we can set this overlay to be more or less, and you can already now see the transparent header here, and when you scroll down it's white, or you can put here background, so it's going to see all in white or another color. So from here I won't touch anything else because we need to add products, and after we have the products, we will set up the footer and everything else on this page and every other page. Let's go into our next lesson.